Hey everyone, welcome back. Looking for the best electric meat grinder for home use? In today's video, I'm counting down the top 6 electric meat grinders that deliver power, performance, and convenience for home cooks, fitness enthusiasts, and tech lovers alike. Whether you're grinding beef, chicken, venison, or making homemade sausages, there's a perfect option here for you. But before we get started, make sure to check the links in the description below if you want to know the latest prices and more information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest top product kitchen product insights. Product number 1. Sunmile SM-G73 Electric Meat Grinder. The Sunmile SM-G73 electric meat grinder is one of the most popular choices for home users thanks to its excellent balance of performance and affordability. Powered by a strong motor, this grinder handles various types of meat efficiently while maintaining consistent grinding results. Its large capacity tray allows users to process more meat at once, reducing preparation time in the kitchen. The grinder features durable stainless steel cutting blades and multiple grinding plates, giving you flexibility for coarse, medium, or fine meat textures. Safety is another highlight, with a locking knob and overload protection system designed to prevent motor damage. The simple controls make operation easy, even for beginners. Home cooks will appreciate its compact design, which doesn't take up much counter space while still delivering reliable performance. Whether you're preparing burger patties, meatballs, sausages, or pet food, the Sunmile SM-G73 offers dependable grinding power for everyday use. Product number 2. Weston Pro Series Electric Meat Grinder. The Weston Pro Series Electric Meat Grinder is built for users who demand professional-grade performance at home. Featuring a heavy-duty construction and a powerful motor, this grinder can process large quantities of meat quickly and efficiently. It's an excellent option for hunters, meal preppers, and families who frequently grind their own meat. Its precision-engineered grinding system delivers smooth and consistent results while minimizing jams. Multiple grinding plates and sausage stuffing accessories add versatility for creating customized recipes. The metal gear construction enhances durability and long-term reliability. One standout feature is its impressive grinding speed, allowing users to save valuable preparation time. The sturdy design remains stable during operation, even when handling tougher cuts of meat. If you're looking for a premium electric meat grinder capable of handling demanding tasks while maintaining excellent performance, the Weston Pro Series is a top contender. Product number 3. 0.6 HP Electric Meat Grinder Deer Mincer. The 0.6 HP electric meat grinder Deer Mincer is designed specifically for users who process game meat and larger quantities of protein. Equipped with a robust 0.6 horsepower motor, this grinder provides reliable power for handling venison, beef, pork, and other meats with ease. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the efficient grinding mechanism helps maintain meat quality. The included grinding plates offer flexibility for different textures, making it ideal for burgers, sausages, and specialty recipes. Users will appreciate the smooth feeding system that reduces clogging and improves workflow. The grinder's heavy-duty components make it suitable for both seasonal hunters and serious home cooks. Despite its powerful performance, operation remains straightforward and user-friendly. If you regularly process deer meat or large batches of meat, this grinder provides an excellent combination of power, durability, and convenience. Product number 4. Ultralife Electric Meat Grinder. The Ultralife Electric Meat Grinder offers impressive versatility and modern functionality for today's home kitchens. Designed with convenience in mind, this grinder comes with multiple accessories that allow users to grind meat, make sausages, and prepare a variety of homemade dishes. Its powerful motor delivers efficient grinding performance while maintaining a compact footprint suitable for smaller kitchens. Stainless steel blades and durable grinding plates help ensure consistent results and easy maintenance. The reverse function is particularly useful for preventing clogs and improving workflow during operation. Safety features such as overheating protection provide added peace of mind during extended use. The grinder is easy to assemble, operate, and clean, making it a great option for beginners and experienced users alike. For anyone seeking a versatile electric meat grinder that balances functionality, convenience, and value, the Ultralife model deserves serious consideration. Product number 5. aaobosi number 12 meat grinder, 3000 watt. The aaobosi number 12 meat grinder stands out with its impressive 3000 watt peak power, making it one of the most powerful home use meat grinders available. This high-performance machine is built to handle large quantities of meat quickly while maintaining consistent grinding quality. The grinder includes multiple cutting plates and sausage-making accessories, allowing users to customize their food preparation experience. Its heavy-duty metal construction enhances durability while ensuring reliable long-term operation. The powerful motor can easily process beef, pork, chicken, venison, and other meats. Convenient controls and a reverse function help reduce interruptions caused by blockages. The large feeding tray further improves efficiency by accommodating bigger portions. Whether you're meal prepping for the week, creating homemade sausages, or processing bulk meat purchases, the aaobosi number 12 offers exceptional performance and outstanding versatility for serious home cooks.
Product number 6. Vevor Commercial Electric Meat Grinder. The Vevor Commercial Electric Meat Grinder brings commercial-grade capability into home kitchens. Designed for users who need maximum performance, this grinder features a powerful motor and durable stainless steel construction that can withstand frequent use. Its high-capacity design allows for efficient processing of large batches of meat, making it ideal for big families, hunters, and small food businesses. The grinder delivers consistent results while maintaining excellent speed and efficiency. Multiple grinding options provide flexibility for different recipes and meat textures. Cleaning and maintenance are simplified thanks to removable components and user-friendly assembly. The sturdy construction helps reduce vibration during operation, creating a smoother user experience. If you're looking for a commercial-style electric meat grinder that combines power, durability, and efficiency, the Vevor Commercial Electric Meat Grinder is an excellent choice for demanding users. Thanks for watching our top 6 electric meat grinders for home use. If you found this review helpful, please like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to check the links in the description for prices, deals, and more product details.